Hey everyone, welcome to Celebs Record. In this YouTube video, we describe that today we are diving deep into the life of Hollywood rising star Jaden Martell. There is a lot to uncover. Stick around as we will reveal some surprising facts about his talented actor. Let's get started. Early life of Jaden Martell. Jaden Martell was born on January 4, 2003 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, USA. Originally named Jaden Lieberher, growing up, he had a passion for storytelling and acting, which led him to pursue a career in the entertainment industry at a young age. Let we know about his career. Jaden made his breakthrough as a child actor starring in commercials before landing his first major role in St. Vincent 2014 alongside Bill Murray and Naomi Watts. However, he gained widespread recognition for playing Bill Denbrough in the hit horror film It 2017 and its sequels It Chapter 2 2019. His career continued to flourish with roles in the movies like Knives Out 2019. As of 2025, Jaden remains a sought-after young actor in Hollywood, known for his talent in both drama and thriller genres. Let me know about his education. Jaden Martell focused on acting from a young age, which led him to prioritize his career over traditional schooling. However, he received a solid education while managing his acting commitments. His learning experiences was a mix of set tutors and private schooling. Let me know about his family. Jaden comes from a sportive family. His mother, Angela Martell, played a significant role in managing his early career. His father, Wes Lieberher, is a well-known executive chef. Jaden prefers to keep his family life private but has credited them for their unwavering support throughout his journey. Let us know about his ethnicity. Jaden Martell has a diverse ethnic background. His mother Angela has Korean heritage while his father Wes is of German, English and French Canadian descent. Let me know about his marital status. As of 2025, Jaden Martell is not married. He keeps his personal relationships private, but he has been linked to a few nominal relationships over the years. Let me know about his cars collection. Jaden Martell has a refined taste in cars. While he doesn't flaunt a massive collection, he has been spotted driving Tesla Model 3, a popular choice among young Hollywood stars. Number 2, Audi Q5, a sleek and comfortable SUV. Let me know about his social media fans following. Jaden Martell enjoys a strong social media presence, especially among young fans. As of 2025, his estimated followers include Instagram has 3 million plus followers, Twitter has 500k plus followers, and TikTok is not very active, but fans' accounts have millions of views on his content. Let me know about his some facts. Fact number 1. He almost did not get the role of Bill Denbrough in It but won the part after multiple auditions. Fact number 2. Bill Murray personally recommended him for St. Vincent. And fact number 3. He loves playing the guitar and enjoys music in his free time. At last of them, let me know about his total net worth. Jaden Martell's estimated net worth is 2025 is around $4 to $5 million. His wealth comes from his acting in blockbuster films, TV series, and endorsements. Let me know about his conclusion. Jaden Marshall has grown from a child star to a respected young actor in Hollywood with an impressive career, diverse background, and a bright future ahead. He continues to be a big rising force in the industry. And that's a wrap on Jaden Martell's incredible journey from his early rise to fame to his successful in 2025. It's clear he's just getting started. Let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more celebrity updates. See you in the next video and take care. All the best.